Your call, please. Army flash, thank you.
Army fliers.
Army, go ahead, please.
71 Arlene 45 blue 35 6 by.
Take off now. Vector 10 degrees. Angels.
75 Glen 17.
Of the Royal Air Force, a fleet of SPED, or the rescue of unfortunate air crews. Note they lose no time in getting keen-eyed men seize for a glimpse of floating objects. The gunner's turret is ready to spit destruction at any enemy machine which might try to interfere. Stressed comrades speeds alongside, tosses them a line. Icy winds and water are soon dissipated after of liquid refreshment. The mercy work of these great little boats is well known to the Germans, but the settling day is coming. The ship that will sail the seas no more is the Port Bowen of New Zealand, now lying wrecked on the shores of the country of her origin. Efforts to refloat her failed, but despite that, the sorry 8,000-ton vessel will do one last good deed. Metals from her are being salvaged and used for making more armaments for New Zealand's war effort. Newsreel cameramen, good soldiers, listen. This bridge was blown up while our operator, Leslie Murray, was shooting the scene for you. He was eager for a good picture, but this was all he got of it, because he too was shattered by the explosion. Here he is, leaving hospital after 5 months of patching up. His injuries were critical and numerous, but despite a permanent limp caused by severe bone fractures and some scars as mementos, he is still cheery. On his official trip to Narvik, his ship was attacked on several occasions by enemy bombers. During these actions, he kept his camera turning. Newsreel colleagues with him did the same. Whilst this was happening, another of Universal's men, Frank Purnell, was on an escorting warship. Dive bombers attacked and he received 9 shrapnel wounds, some serious. Yet another, Ronnie Noble, was on the job at Dunkirk. In the attack off Narvik, Murray escaped injuries, although his gear was damaged. So when you see thrilling news pictures, what about a thought to those soldiers whose only weapon is a heavy camera? They all take risks like Murray, whose immediate itch is to get back to work. So now a little hand, please, for men of the newsreels.